This extract is from one of my weekly adventures, which I used to endure, and it includes fishing and observation of such lovely creatures, such marvelous masterpieces, and it's just a dedication to them and how nature presents it in the form. So this is just my imagination on paper. So hope you like it. Down the woody trail, light fell on my temple through the crevices of my eyes. Oh, that morning gentle, where this fragment of my imagination lies. It was a little cloudy, a little overcast. To me it was all merry, to people downcast. The cool breeze provoking me, the warm subtle sun embalming me. My little wagon, my fishing rod, to the woody trail down I trod. Greeted by Mr. Spider and Miss Nightingale. Ah, those flavors in the air I inhale. The creaking eucalyptus, the whistling oak, the giggling stream, all of them awoke. An abandoned tomb nearby, some articles I fail to justify. Pulling the oars, dwelling a little far. The conversation between the boat and the splashes, feelings ajar. There's a disturbance in the reel, the distraction I so want to feel. That remorse of losing the bait. For this tiny extravaganza, the entire week I wait. In the middle of the chapter arrives the kingfisher, mocking me, saying, "Ha, you rookie fisher." He's ever dazzling and sarcastic. His performance, well, it's perpetually fantastic. The small island in the ambit of my curiosity, virgin it seems, with varied diversity. Maybe there's a little elf there. Looking for a logical explanation? Seek elsewhere. God bless the souls who invented binoculars. What an instrument to behold nature's populace. Two squirrels arguing over the possession of a chestnut. Drowsy fishermen peeking through their hut. There is a mountain due south, cloaked with mist as its shroud. Cranes departing in a triangular formation. My appetite for accord, here I satisfy my starvation. Down there the pine resides another lovely friend of mine, who alarms me for restitution. Mr. Owl hoots and confirms my intuition. Thank you, Mr. Owl, for that. Rowing back to the bank, the evening makes my heart sank. Another week, another sail. Perhaps I'll live to tell another tale. Thank you. Thank you very much.